Now you guys know this is my type of car right here, buddy. Man, oh man, it's been a while. Especially one that's nice. Ooh. 2015 GLK 350 4matic. I have never been in one of these SUVs. Never, ever been in one of these. And this one seems to be very, very nice for a 15 with almost 82,000 miles on it. This thing is very, very clean. Holy smokes. Let's get some AC on. They thought it was hot. It ain't hot. It's not hot. I mean, they thought it was cold out. It's not cold. Oh, yes. No smoking. No, no, no. Little ashtray. How cute. At least they're thinking of the smokers. Let's turn that fan down just a scooch. Okay, it won't. Maybe when it's on max AC it won't. There we go. That's why. Man, this thing's really nice, y'all. It has a big panoramic sunroof. And man, when I show you the alloy wheels on this baby, it's got some nice alloys. It's got nav, got a good looking backup camera. And dude, this thing runs, and dudettes, this thing runs smooth. The check engine light is on. Are you kidding me? I gotta find out what that code is for, because this thing, what? I mean, this thing is like butter, man. Velvety butter. Oh, so smooth. It feels like, you really don't feel like you're sitting up in an SUV. I mean, you do just a little, but not really. Transmission, I mean, transparent, flawless, beautiful. Engine's quiet. I can't imagine what that damn engine code's for. Holy cow. Let's go. Holy shit, let's go. Man, that little V6 has got to go, bro. Got to go. Man, that thing's got some muscle. I was only 50% throttle, y'all. Ooh, 50%. Jeez, I can't floor it out here. I'll get, these security guys will jump my ass. But let's just say it's plentiful. I bet this thing would be a great highway cruiser. Just gobble up tons of miles. You press the end of the little stalk to put it in park. This is a good looking ride. But wait, it is a V6. Yeah, I thought, is it a 4 or 6? I knew they offered these in a 250 diesel. Let's see. This thing's very sharp. Look at those wheels. Got brand new rubber on it too. Falcon. What is that sound? Is that the sound of direct injection? Is that the sound of direct injection, or is that something else? I don't have a freaking clue. It's got the nice big star in the grill. We'll rev it up a little bit. I mean, I love those wheels. I mean, it's a clean unit. Golly, just like new. Just like freaking new. Looks like maybe a car seat set over there. Not 100% sure. But the exhaust seems fine. I'm just a little curious about, is that the sound of direct injection? She sounds pretty good. Maybe that's normal. Mercedes guys, the 3.5 V6, tell me, is that normal? Is that the sound of direct injection just working away? I'm really unsure. Because this thing is buttery smooth. Now, this would be way out of my price range, way out of my budget. But what a neat rig. I would love to put my wife in something like this one day. She would absolutely love something like this. Perfect size. I mean, that V6 makes good power. Let's see, I wonder if I can figure out what it's been averaging. 24 miles to the gallon. That's pretty damn good, y'all. 24 miles to the gallon. That's really good. Somebody drove this thing with an easy foot, you know? I like it. I do. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one, y'all.